Welcome to the first KorGE Videodigest. This is the format where we want to give you some behind-the-scenes insight what's going on in KorGE development at the moment, especially regarding KorGE 2.0. Most of the things you're about to see are previous, so they are super secret. Well, they're not, but they are subject to change, so don't be mad if the real implementations are even better than the previous. Let's start with the Intellij plugin because I think it's really awesome. We try to make the game development easier and more fun, so we will include more visual editors. The newest addition is the particle editor. As you can see, the KorGE Intellij plugin can display the particle emitter, and you can adjust several values in the graphical interface or the particle file itself. So you can define the appearance of your particles, which is instantaneously shown on the screen. Isn't this nice? Yes, it is. The next feature is spine support. KorGE already supports skeletal animations via Dragon Bones and Live2D, but now we added spine. For creating the spine animations, you use the spine software itself, but the KorGE Intellij plugin has a nice preview for the animations you want to include. Box2D integration. Yeah, we know Box2D used to be quite a hassle in KorGE, but hear me fellas, it's not anymore. We greatly optimized and simplified the Box2D integration in KorGE 2.0. It now ties in nicely with the short and concise KorGE API. Just create a Box2D world view, which is your portal to the Box2D world, and just call register body with fixture on a view object of your choice, and voila, physics. You can even have more than one Box2D world in the same project, which is totally insane. And now you can satisfy all your fixture and the restitutions density Box2D physics cravings. Homepage. Oh boy, it was time for an update. But now here it is. The colors are more popping and everything got beamed to the present. Or the future regarding this nice new mascot we have. He doesn't have a name yet. Well, or she, we don't know much about alien genders. But it's cute, isn't it? Look at this curl or whatever this alien coily thing up here is. Well, however, you can find everything you need on this page, and down here are even links to our social channels like Discord or the forum. So come and visit us there. We're also launching a Patreon page you can check out if you want to help us developing KorGE or if you only want a framed picture of yourself on our desks. And yes, we are getting a new logo too, but this will take some time.